In this video, you'll learn how to check in using Zoho People so your attendance is recorded accurately and on time, whether you're just getting started with the platform or you've been using it for a while and want a quick refresher. We'll go through each action slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho People account on your computer or mobile browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you need to do is locate the attendance section. Depending on your company's setup and your screen size, you might see attendance listed in the main menu at the top along the side or inside a menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Look for the word attendance and click it. When you open the attendance section, you'll usually see an overview of your workday or your attendance summary, like your recent check-in and check-out times or a calendar with your attendance records. This screen helps you understand your current status, such as whether you're already checked in or still marked as not present for the day. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're on the correct day and that the time zone matches your location, especially if you travel or work remotely. Now, once you're in the attendance area, find the check-in button. This is typically easy to spot and may appear as a clearly labeled button near the top of the page, or sometimes in a prominent panel showing your current day's status. Go ahead and click Check In. When you click this button, Zoho People will capture your current time as your official start time for the workday. At this point, the system may show you a small confirmation message or a pop-up that displays the exact check-in time it has recorded. This is an important step because it lets you verify that the time is correct. Take a moment to confirm the check-in time that appears on the screen. Check that the hours and minutes look right and that the AM or PM is correct. If you're working in a different time zone or just started your shift, you want to be sure that the time aligns with your schedule. Some organizations are very strict about clock-in times, so confirming this now can help you avoid issues later with payroll or attendance reports. If everything looks good, simply accept or close the confirmation message, depending on how your company's Zoho People instance is configured. After that, you should see your status change to something like checked in along with the time. You might also notice that additional options such as checkout or break become available for later in your workday. From here, you're all set, your check-in has been recorded, and you can start your tasks knowing that your attendance for the day has been captured. Whenever you begin work, just remember this simple process. Go to attendance, click check-in, and confirm the time. Following these steps consistently will keep your records accurate and make end-of-month attendance and payroll much smoother for both you and your organization.